Kia ora. My name is Griffin of Kia Kids News, and today we're here, Waterworld in Browns Bay. Come on, let's go explore. What are we doing here today?
Going on the inflatables and having fun.
Are you nervous about how far you have to swim out?
Not really.
Are you excited to go onto the Waterworld today?
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
That it's really slippery. It's really slippery, and then sometimes you can slip and fall.
How much times do you think you guys fell in?
About at least 20. Like a lot.
How do you feel about going on it?
Fun and kind of nervous because I'm scared that I'm gonna get pushed off by my sisters.
Why would they push you off?
Because that's what they do.
What do you know about Waterworld?
It has the water slide.
Oh.
There was like a thing when we have to grab like stuff and then like keep going. We slipped over, and then how we slipped over was we were trying to climb over or go to the other side, but then when we tried to go on the other side, we like slipped off because it's very slippery on the side bits.
How many parts are there to the Waterworld?
So this park that we've got at the moment's probably got around 30 or 40 different pieces.
How do you guys get that pipe all the way out there?
So we take a paddleboard and we have the end of the vacuum, we call it vacuum, and we go pump up the pieces. Like it usually takes just about an hour to pump up every morning.
Can you describe the parts to me?
At the end, there's like a part where like one person will stand and then one person will go at the end and then the other person will jump onto it and then you'll go flying in the air.
Did you have fun at our Waterworld today?
Yes, it was awesome. My favorites were the slide, the monkey bars, and there was a sport that you'd go on with other people, and it was like really fun.
What do you think was the hardest obstacle for you guys?
Probably like the one we had to go around like the balls. That was really hard.
Did you guys have a turn on the rocky pillow in the middle?
Oh yeah. It's really fun, especially when you have the max amount of people on it, because everyone can make it rock and roll at different times.
What was the best part?
Everything.
How'd you rate this out of 10?
Definitely a 10. You should come and experience this at least one time in your life.
Whoa, that was crazy. And if you want to have a turn, go to waterworld.co.nz. This is from Kia Kids News, and this is Griffin signing out.
Thanks to New Zealand On Air.